Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well, and today we are going to answer the question, is Forex trading a scam? Run the intro.
Why you talking in code, no reason? Why you got me on hold, I'm beeping. I knew something was ignited when you left.
So I was actually not impressed by how much this question was searched on Google. It's an extremely relevant question if I really think about it, because if you look at the statistics, 90% of people lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days of trading. But this has a reason behind it. Like 90% of people don't treat it as a business. They don't treat it as they should in order to keep their money and possibly make some profit. The problem with this industry is that whoever's watching this channel surely already got someone selling them Forex signals, whether there is in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, wherever. There are people trying to sell Forex signals everywhere, and that is basically a pyramid scheme. That is the bad side of trading. That is how many people get into trading, is through Forex signals. And it's more than normal. It's like it's the easy way in. Someone is telling us what to do. But the problem is that whoever does that, I've done that. You can check this video out where I talk about my experience with Forex signals. It's just horrible. I ended up blowing a whole account, and afterwards I decided to learn, and that's the key. Forex is the foreign exchange market. It means that we buy and sell currency. And when we are looking to either buy or sell, we look at patterns. And why patterns? Because us humans, we behave in certain patterns. It's easy to predict how someone is going to react if we punch them. It's easy to predict how we are going to react if we get punched. Like, our behavior is quite similar throughout our life. That's why we can predict what someone else is going to do, and that's why we can think. That's how we can forecast what is going to happen within a conversation. And the same thing happens in the markets. Just like people behave in patterns within life, patterns also form in the trading market. What this means is that the price is moved by people. People make the decision to either buy or sell in this industry. And this comes down to people see something that happens, and after that happens, they have their bias in the market. They think, okay, this is probably going to keep going down, which means I will short, or this is going to keep on going up, which means I'm going long. And through that, we can have an edge within the market. Look at it in casino perspective. Why is it that in roulette there is the green? It's in order for the probabilities not being 50-50. Because if it would be 50-50, the house would win 50% of the times and the player would win another 50% of the times, because it's a random outcome. But with the green, the probabilities are on the side of the casino, because in 100 rolls, the green is probably going to come up 2 times and the red and the black are going to appear 98 times. And this is how casinos have their edge. In the long run, the casino is always going to make money because the edge is on their side. And you can look at it in blackjack, you can look at it in slots, you can look at it in roulette, you can look at it in any game that the casino has. The probability of you losing money is higher than the casino losing money, which means they have the edge. Now, in the trading markets, when you identify these patterns of behavior, of how people, why do people want to sell? Why do people want to buy? And you start understanding that when something happens, the probability of it going down is higher than it going up. It means that you have an edge. It doesn't mean that it's certain. It means that in the long run, if you take one setup 100 times, you know that 90% or even 60% of the times it is going to play out. And if you have proper risk management, you will be coming out winning. So this is kind of how the foreign exchange market works. You trade currencies, you look at patterns which stem from behaviors from other traders, and then you decide to either sell or buy or just stay out of the market. And this is how you possibly make money in trading. Now, why do people think that this is a scam? 90% of traders lose, which is kind of a scary statistic. So only 10 in 100 people are going to win. Only 1 in 10 people are going to be profitable. Well, yes, because maybe the other 7 came into trading with a get-rich-quick mentality, which they got humbled by the market, which already happened to me. Side note, I have been part of that statistic. As I've said in this previous video of the Forex Signals, I have been part of that statistic. Now, maybe from those 10, 6 came in with a get-rich-quick mentality, 3 gave up too early because they thought they weren't cracking it and they were 3 weeks in, and the one is the one who put actually the work in, that didn't mind whether he was losing or winning. He was just taking the lessons and moving on, because that's the goal with trading. I've been doing this for 1 year and a half, which it's nothing. Like, it's a lot, but it's nothing at the same time. 1 year and a half, I'm not expecting to be a millionaire, but people have the wrong expectations. I don't expect to be a millionaire. I wouldn't expect to be a millionaire in 1.5 years down the line. It depends. What is the market presenting? How much work am I putting in? Am I really focused on this, and am I really doing the processes that will get me to consistency? Those are the questions, and are those 90% of people doing that? I would say that 99% of those 90 people, they are not doing that. And that's why they lose 90% of their money in their first 90 trades. Now, obviously, we look at that and we see most people lose money, yes, but a lot of people make a lot of money. Now, on which side do you want to be? I understand that a lot of people think that this is a scam because too many people lose money, but at the same time, you have to take responsibility. And if I were to blow the account from the Forex Signals and then blame the market for this being a scam, or blame the Forex Signals for being a scam, I wouldn't be taking responsibility for my mistakes. I made the mistake. I entered into Forex Signals. I didn't set a stop loss. I over-risked. I put too many lots. I wanted to get rich quick. So what happened? I lost my money. But I took responsibility, and that is what everyone should do. So understand why you are asking the question, is Forex trading a scam? From my experience, Forex trading is not a scam. There's a lot of potential in this market. It's a market that moves $6 trillion per day. So if you even take a small slice of it, it's amazing for yourself. It's not a scam, but be careful on how you join the Forex Signals. Now, not only do not join through Forex Signals, I would really recommend you entering a community and learning from there. And then just learn as much as you can from the market. There are a lot of communities to pick. There are so many strategies that work within Forex. So pick what suits your style, pick what suits your personality. Don't try to look at what I'm doing. Don't try to look at what someone 10 years down the line is doing. Just follow some reasonable steps. And my advice would be, do not enter into Forex Signals, but do enter into a community and learn to do it yourself. It's the best decision that you are going to make, and if you fall in love with it, you are going to be very successful at it. So, short answer, no, Forex trading is not a scam. Long answer was the video that I've just done. There are a lot of people that say that this is too risky, but understand this comes down to risk management, trade management, and emotional management. Be careful with all of those and you are on the right path to success. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you could take some value from it. I don't know how long this is, but I tried to keep this short, tight, and sweet for you to take as much information as you could from this quick video. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed. I'm posting 2 times a week, 1 car rent on Wednesday and 1 trading related video on every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next week. Bye, goose.
Why you talking in code, no reason? Why you got me on hold, I'm beeping? I knew something was ignited left, I wanted more. All I wanna do is get to know you. East to west to north to south, the whole you.